Okay, so this one we're going to start out near this great mosque, but what we're going to actually do is walk down these little alleys. There's alleys that can go that way, and there's all this kind of tourist shop stuff, and we're going to walk all the way down that way. So stay tuned for that. We just got a shirt over here with Xi'an. That's a great mosque right in there. And we're in Xi'an right there. I'm just going to go down this alley. Let's check it all out. Okay, so this let's navigate this alley. Haven't seen these kind of traditional clothing here in Xi'an. I think we'll see more people just walking around with clothing attire like that as well. And I don't know where this alley is going to take us, but we'll follow it nonetheless. Oops. Okay, here we go. It's okay to be different. We got some birds in there too. I'm putting some birds up there. I'm gonna put some more birds up as well. That's cool. Let's see where you put them. Ah, okay. That's cool. That's kind of cool. Okay. Okay. So we're here in Xi'an, China, giving some taste of what it's like a little bit. Oh. That's kind of cool. Very cool. Okay. So there's one of those dresses. There's a lot of stuff in here that people might find interesting, or I might be kind of browsing through quickly. Okay, so I think we're going to be coming back out to the Muslim street. Kind of cool hats. Okay. So into that alley, and I guess we're gonna kind of meander more of Xi'an. So all the different, like, year of the monkey, year of the rat, year of the rabbit, year of the oxen. It's kind of cool. Those are the Buddhist pensions. I saw some in Thailand. So, durian. Kinds of interesting stuff here in Xi'an. Guy with a Beijing belly. That's where you pull your shit up because you're usually it's like kind of a little bit heavy guys, a little bit sweaty I think. So they're like kind of middle-aged and heavy and a little sweaty. So they'll lift up their shirt above their stomach. I never see it with women for sure or young guys. Usually kind of that middle-aged, little overweight guy. We'll see if we see more of those. I just saw one out of the camera for a moment there. Pretty interesting. We're here in Xi'an, China. Busy market streets. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, China's a big place, interesting place. A lot of different things. And sometimes I watch YouTubers in Xi'an, but I don't feel like I get a good idea of what it's like exactly. A lot of motorcycles too that come through here, so you hear the honking a lot of them trying to get people to move out of the way a little bit. Nice bike. It's kind of nice. It's kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna keep on meandering. Xi'an China. Okay, so we're gonna try to find a good ending spot. Trying to get around a little bit to the middle before we end it. So yeah, very interesting.